This is your expansion tank. Now the expansion tank system is needed because as coolant heats up, it expands. This is your pressure cap. And this is the location where you put the prop stick. This is an electrical connector for your headlight. There is a service location here that you can open up to access the headlight interior. This is one of your engine mounts. And this is one of the many electrical grounds in the vehicle. This is your cap for your brake fluid reservoir. And this vehicle can take either DOT3 or DOT4 brake fluid. This is one of your fasteners that holds the headlight into the vehicle. You got information about the headlight, like the E mark and other different information. This here is your washer fluids cap. This is your main pipe that leads to your cooling system. Now, on the airbox itself, you've got turbo in big capital letters. And that is to tell you that there is an air filter inside. You can see one of your actuators for your variable valve timing system. This is your Bowden cable. The Bowden cable connects from your bonnet latch lever to your bonnet latch. This is your inlet pipe. Now it's covered up to reduce the induction roar from the engine. This is your oil top-up cap. Down here you can see your pipe leading to your intercooler, your inlet manifold with sensor, your AC pressure sensor, and airbag wire. This is one of your pipes that goes from your radiator to the engine. You can also see your gear selector linkages, gearbox, and battery tray. This is your manufacturer Pacific diagnostic port. Now what you would use that for is you would use it on a manufacturer diagnostic machine. This is your 12-volt battery. Now on the battery itself you've got a handle which you can open up to lift the battery out and back into the car. You've got your positive and negative terminals. On the negative terminal you've got a battery monitor sensor. Behind the expansion tank you've got your load bearing member. This is your engine computer wiring connector. You've got two tabs that you need to pull up to remove the engine computer connector. Inside your fuse and relay box, you've got fuses and relays. On the fuse and relay box lid, you've got yourself a pair of fuse pullers. You've also got a diagram showing what each individual fuse or relay does, and spare fuses. At the rear of the engine compartment, you've got your heat shielding that's covered by the turbocharger, your two air conditioning pipes with recharge point, and other different components. In this location, you have your ABS modulator with pipes going to each individual wheels. Now, what is an ABS modulator? An ABS modulator is used to vary the brake pressures throughout the different wheels when the ABS system is operating. Thank you very much for watching my video and goodbye.